If your Mazda dealer hands you a massive recommended services bill, stop. This video can save you hundreds. Mazda issued Service Alert SA-011-24, NHTSA ID 10251387, telling dealers to follow the factory maintenance schedule and stop pushing extras outside the manual. Those extras are unnecessary and create unneeded expenses. They even call out engine oil flushes as not needed. So here's the Myth VS manual playbook you can use at the counter, and suddenly you've got a $800 to $2,000 menu package. Manual move. Ask the advisor to point to the exact line in your owner's manual maintenance table for each add-on. If it's not there, decline. Simple. Manual move. Compare to Mazda's schedule for your model, engine mileage and driving conditions. Approve only what matches the book or what an inspection actually shows. Manual move. Ask for a printed estimate. Get a second opinion from another Mazda dealer or a trusted independent. Your warranty is protected by doing required maintenance on schedule, period. Real-world example. A CX-5 owner got charged $75 for an engine air filter. You can buy it for $10 to $20, and it takes 2 thumb clips to swap. They were told it was already in before approval. That's exactly what SA-011-24 targets. Prepaid maintenance packs. Many owners report about $1,488 for 3 years. If you regret it, contact Mazda Financial within 30 days to cancel for a full refund. Dealers may resist. Go straight to the source. Why this happens? Service departments are profit centers with quotas. Techs are incentivized to find more work. Your defense is the schedule and clear boundaries. What this costs if you stick to the manual: oil change, $850. Air cabin filters, $3,120. DIY is cheaper. Brake fluid when due, $120 to $200. Coolant when due, $150 to $300. Spark plugs when due, $250 to $500. Trans diff fluid only if your model interval calls for it, $200 to $450. Red flags, estimates jumping to $800 to $3,000. Induction cleanings, flushes, protection packages, and bundles not in Mazda's schedule. That's the upsell SA-011-24 warns about. Dealer versus independent. If a service is legitimately due, independents often charge 30 to 60% less. Oil changes can be $50 to $100 versus $80 to $150 at dealers. Bottom line, bring your owner's manual, use the maintenance table as your script and say, show me where Mazda requires this. If they can't, you don't pay.